Hi and welcome to this lesson. In lesson 1, we're going to go over the plugin features of the Stripe Marketplace plugin. So, without further ado, let's get started. Stripe is a service that helps you take online payments from your customers all within your Bubble app. But Stripe offers you more than that. With Stripe, you can have a marketplace app where customers pay sellers, and as the owner of the app, you can even take a platform commission if you wish. And the Stripe Marketplace Express plugin has extensive features that makes it a lot easier to achieve such a setup compared to existing plugins. So what can you do with this plugin? Well, let's break down just some of its features. So the payment related features of the Stripe Marketplace plugin are split into two versions. One version is called the Payment Intents API. This version uses strong customer authentication to provide calls that are 3D secure. The other version is called the Charges API. It's still a useful version in terms of functionality, but it does not use strong customer authentication, which means it does not provide calls that are 3D secure. And everything related to the Payment Intents API is done through Stripe Checkout, which is a secure Stripe-hosted payment page that lets you create payments quickly. As you can see here, Stripe Checkout allows you to process different types of payments, and this also includes subscription payments. But the Payment Intents API also has other features. For example, you can create an off-session payment intent. You can also create a refund. You can also attach or detach a payment method from a customer. Now let's talk about the Charges API. It offers the same API calls as the Payment Intents API, but as mentioned before, it does not use strong customer authentication. So it does not provide calls that are 3D secure. So everything is done on the platform instead of redirecting to a Stripe hosted page. And to describe just some of its features, we can see that you can create a charge using a token. You can also create a charge using a card ID. You can also create a refund or add or delete a card from a customer. And the plugin also allows you to create customer and seller accounts so that you can process transactions between buyers and sellers. But it's important to know that there are different types of Stripe accounts that you can create or connect to. The two main types of user accounts are customer accounts as well as seller accounts. But seller accounts are further divided into three types: standard accounts, express accounts, as well as custom accounts. And just to give you an idea of how the workflows look like, here's the workflow tab of our demo app, where we can find all the workflows that use the Stripe Marketplace Express plugin. And in the next lessons, I'll explain some of these workflows and show you how to use them for your own app. And that brings us to the end of this introduction. And in the next lesson, I'll help you install and purchase the Stripe Marketplace Express plugin. And you'll also learn how to set up your Stripe account and integrate it with Bubble using API keys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.